We have not seen the contents of that letter. The state is holding it as if it's classified information. So when we raised these issues before the magistrate, we thought they would be serious, rather they would be accorded the seriousness they deserve. We thought the magistrate would grant us that opportunity. First of all, to make the application for mandatory bail. Then surprisingly, no, actually it's not an opportunity. Let me repeat this. We expected the magistrate to comply with the dictates of the law, that before you proceed with any other matter, first consider the application for mandatory bail. That is the law. It came as a shocker to us when the magistrate said, let the state first tell us why we are here. Meaning, even court, which issued the production warrant, wasn't aware why we are here. For us, we could not get to understand the reason why we are here from the state. It is the court to tell us. It is the court that issued the production warrant. So we felt we were insulted. With all due respect to the chief magistrate, you cannot tell the opposite counsel to tell us the reason why we are here, when actually it is the court that summoned us. It's the court that issued the production warrant. So even the magistrate was oblivious of the reason as to why we are here. And on that ground, coupled with the fact that our senior colleague was not here, because Martha Karua is the lead counsel. And there is a reason why the accused person took that decision to have Martha Karua as our lead counsel. And we wanted to work out a proper schedule, because she jetted in on, early this week, and the whole of this week had been reserved for this case. And it's the reason we asked the court, we asked the court, please, can you fix this matter fair? Are you being just? So this is the, rather, are you being fair or reasonable? So it's the reason we had to withdraw from the bar. And obviously you had the statement from our client. We have not had any opportunity to discuss these matters with them. And it would be very, very unprofessional on our part to proceed under those circumstances. One, where you have no instructions, you have not discussed the matter with the client. Two, you have no idea as to which matter is going to be handled before court, and therefore you are not prepared. Let me tell you, the worst thing a lawyer can do to yourself and your client is to appear before court when you are ill-prepared. So we came here prepared to handle the mandatory bail application, not anything else, because that's the command of the law. Now the magistrate was telling us to go into something else, which was not known to us. So we had to withdraw and wait for the date that was fixed for the mention of this matter. That is 29th of this month, Thursday next week. So that's when we shall be back here.
What is your take on the issue, the prosecution take on that?
It also explains the reason why we had to walk out, because he also appeared to be ill-prepared. He was not seized with the facts. I'm sure when we come back on the Thursday to raise that application, he would not raise that vexatious argument. I don't think he was very serious about it. It would appear he is not in any way informed that actually these people have been on remand since November last year. It would also appear that actually he has not taken time to educate himself about all the matters concerning this case, that it has got a long history from the General Court Martial, which also issued the remand warrants, up to the time when the Supreme Court quashed the proceedings. That is the 31st January. I'm sure he hadn't updated himself about those developments.
Maybe lastly from you,
nga twazze wano nga tetumanyi ensonga etuleese. Nini tuteeka ekitiibwa mu kiragiro kya kooti kye bayita production warrant ekigamba nti Dr. Besigye n'Obed Lutale babakomyewo olwaleero. Twakoma okujja wano ku Wednesday, omusango ne gwongerwayo ku Thursday 29th. Baatugamba nti omulamuzi agubeeramu teyaliiwo, nti yali mu meeting. Ekyatuyisa obubi. Era omulamuzi eyaliwo, mujjukira bulungi abaali wano, yagamba nti mukama we eyamugambye amutuulire musango yamuwadde June either nga 2 oba nga 5 talina kirala kyonna. Ne twegayirira ne tumugamba nnyabo sebo senior counsel Martha Karua ali wano wiiki eno, twagala kweorganizinga bulungi. Ekyokubiri, bakiransi baffe bawezezza ennaku 18 ku rimandi, ate ssemateeka mu nnyingo eya 23 ng'ogisomedde wamu n'akawaayiro namba 76 aka Magistrate Courts Act. Birambika bulungi ki ekiteekeddwa okukolebwa singa omuntu amala ennaku 18 ng'ali ku rimandi, nti olina okumuwa gye bayita mandatory bail. Omulamuzi yakomba kwerima n'agamba tasobola kutuwa lunaku wiiki eno, kooti teriiwo. Yagamba balamuzi tebaliiwo, bali bize wiiki eno, bali bize tebaliiwo. Naga kale munaakoma wano nga 29. Ne tukkiriza. Wakati mu kunyigirizibwa, Martha Karua n'addayo e Nairobi. Ennyonyi yadde yakalandinga e Nairobi, ate ne batuwa summons oba production warrant nti amujje kati tugenda kuwulira olwaleero nga tewali nsonga. Ne tugamba okay fine, bwe baba bazze kuwulira mandatory bail, application yaffe ya mandatory bail, tuli beetefuteefu. Era ffe twazze tuli beetefuteefu okupresenting application yaffe ku mandatory bail. Ate tutuuka wano nga batugamba nti state yerina ensonga lwaki tuli wano. Twewuunyizza nnyo omulamuzi naye yennyini nga tamanyi lwaki tuli wano. N'agamba nti mukkirize state yetubuulire lwaki tuli wano, ng'ate state si ye yatuyise, production warrant kooti ye yagiyisizza. Ekyokubiri, state ne webanga yeesaba eteekawo ensonga ez'essimba mu buwandiike n'eziteeka mu kooti, naffe netuwa kopi nga tetunnajja wano ne tusobola okupreparinga. Kakati ebbaluwa eyo eya state oba eya gavumenti tetugirabangako, n'okutuusa olwali tetunnagirabako, n'ensonga ezirimu tetunnazirabako. Eyo gye bayita trial by ambush. Lawyer yenna olina okujja mu kooti bw'obeera nga oli worth your salt, bw'obeera nga oli lawyer alimu akanigguusa, oteekeddwa okujja nga weeteeseteese. Mu butuufu twazze wano nga tetweteeseteese ku nsonga za state za gavumenti zeereeta kuba tetuzimanyi. Ate mu kweteekateeka olina n'okudisikasinga ne kirayanti wo. Twabadde tulina okusooka okutuula ne Dr. Besigye ne tumugamba omanyi nno nti ekibagenda okusaba kyeki kino ne kino ne kino, tukikutte tutya? Ebyo byonna tebyabaddewo. Kakati omulamuzi tubimugambye nga ffe tuli redde ku application yaffe eya bail, naye ebiri ebirala ebya state tetubinaako instruction, tetubimanyi. Ye n'alemerako. Era awulidde Dr. Besigye n'amugamba nti bano sinnabawa instructions kugenda mu maaso na bintu ebyo. Instructions za bail application. Ekyokubiri, ne lead counsel Martha Karua yabadde wano ng'alina special assignment gy'alina okukola mu kooti, yazzeeyo. Kakati ekyo kibeera si kya bwenkanya. N'olw'ensonga eyo ffe omulamuzi ne tumugamba kijja kuba kya bulabe ffe nga balooya okgenda mu maaso nga tetulina instructions ate nga tetweteeseteese. N'olw'ensonga eyo tumugamba munnaye ffe ebigenda mu maaso tufulumye, tugenze, tukulekedde abantu bo, gwe kola ky'oyagala, ffe tulinze kukomawo wano nga 29.
Kanso yogera ki ku nsonga ya state wegamba